please don't use 누구씨. Use 누구님 instead.
Korean class.
안녕하세요, Kim-Sam again. One of the most unfamiliar things to Korean learners is how to call others' name using title after someone's name. Because in the Korean language, the title depends on the other person's age and gender. You may heard that Korean calls to others 형, 누나, 언니, 오빠. But in Korean textbooks, most common title is 누구씨, like 영희씨, 피터씨, 안젤라씨. 누구씨 appears every first chapter of the most Korean textbooks. In this video, I would like to share my thoughts on the title 씨, 누구씨. Is this a really helpful expression for Korean learners? If not so, is there any better title that Korean learners call others? If you are interested, watch this video to the end. Let's dive into it. Before we talk about today's subject, please subscribe my channel and hit the like and set the alarm so you can get new lessons every week. 감사합니다. Let's talk about the title 누구씨. The title 누구씨 is most often mentioned in Korean textbooks, and learners think 누구씨 is like Mr., Miss, Mrs. in English. Yeah, similar. But modern Korean, including me, don't use 누구씨 often. I will tell you why. First, the title 씨 is an expression used by adults only. Have you ever heard Korean kids or youth call each other 누구씨, 누구씨? I don't think you have, because I was born in Korea, grew up there, and I have never called other 누구씨 in the school, and I've never heard that my friends or teachers call me 현철씨 in the school. No, because Korean think the title 씨 is used by adults only. Kids or teenagers don't use that title. But I think it's weird. Korean never use the title 씨 at school, but only in the Korean language school, they teach learners to call each other 누구씨, 누구씨. It's probably because most of learners in the language school are adults, but I think it is not good. I have more reasons I don't recommend the title 씨. Second reason is that the title 씨 is a formal expression. Of course, you can use title 씨 in informal situation, but it is very, very rare. Korean don't call their friend 누구씨, and it's the same for married couples. You know, most of my friends are married, more than 50 couples. Among them, there's only one couple called each other 누구씨, 누구씨. So I can't say never, but very rare couple called each other 누구씨 among modern Koreans, cause 누구씨 sounds like very formal and it doesn't sound like familiar. Third reason is that you can't use title 씨 to the person who is older than you. You know, in Korean, you always have to be concerned about others' age. When you don't know their ages, you can call them 누구씨, 누구씨, it's okay. But if you keep calling 누구씨 when you know that the person is older than you, they feel bad. But it's weird, in the Korean language school, teachers ask learners to call each other 누구씨, 누구씨, even though everyone's age in the classroom is different. This looks weird to me, because if learners learn that way and call other Koreans outside the classroom who is older than learners like 영철씨, 미라씨, it can make problem. Fourth lesson is that it can be rude when use 누구씨 wrong way. If you say like 어이 형씨, 어이 형씨, or saying with wrong intonation like 피터씨, 피터씨, it sounds like I'm ready to fight against you. So you have to be careful of the intonation. If the title 누구씨 is not very good title, is there any better option? Here is a much better expression. The title 님. You can just put 님 after the name instead of 씨, like 지현님, 안젤라님. Why the title 님 is better than 씨? And why Koreans use the title 님 more often than 씨 these days? It's my own opinions. First, the title 님, 누구님 is a more respectful expression than 누구씨. You may have heard these words 선생님, 교수님, 목사님, 하나님. All the Korean words ending with 님 have the meaning of respecting the job or social status. So when I called 누구님, he or she think, oh, this guy respect me. The second reason, the title 님 can be used by all generations. It doesn't matter who is younger or who is older. Teacher like me can call my teenage student 누구님, and young kids can call an older person 누구님. It's perfect. Third, the title 님 can be used in both formal and informal situations. You can use 누구님 when you have presentation. 누구님께 감사드려요. If you say so, everyone will know you respect the person. And when you meet someone for the first time in informal setting, you can ask his or her name and just call 누구님. It makes the listener feel very good. They will think you respect them, and maybe in few hours or in few days, you will get to know their age. Then you can call them 형, 누나, 언니, 오빠, or 누구야. So the title 님 is much better than 씨. Unfortunately, even if 님 is better and more used expression, I haven't found the title 님 in Korean textbooks. It's because it's only been few years since Korean started using 누구님 often instead of 씨. If I write a textbook, I will make dialogues with title 님. I really want to do that. Okay, if you understand this video, try call your Korean friend 누구님 and let me know how they respond to you. If you don't have Korean friend yet, my name is 김현철. You can call me that way like 현철님 when you leave the comment, and I will answer to you in the same way, 누구님. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. 다음에 또 만나요. 안녕.